Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will review Dermave Trimmer 2.0, which is a sleek 2-in-1 grooming tool for facial and body hair that claim to be waterproof, powerful, painless, and even dermatologist approved. But here are the things you need to know. They say it is 12 wax award winning and they patented, but there is zero proof, no award listed, no patent number. That is a huge red flag. The dermatologist endorsements. Turn out Dr. Patricia J is likely AI generated, not a real person. And that painless for all skin type claim, just not realistic. Irritation varies from person to person. And there is zero phone number, no address, and only a generic email for contact. That is a sketchy when the product costs almost $40. Even worse, the same trimmer is listed on Alibaba for just under $2. That is a classic dropshipping. Cheap product, bold claims, premium price. On Reddit, real users say it barely trims, especially fine hairs. One side does not work, and others say they got better result from a basic razor. Final thoughts. It is not a scam, but there are many red flags you need to consider. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.